everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with a new video. Now this video is a PR package from my girl A.MaRee here on YouTube. I'll be sure to link her channel link down below. So if you guys are not familiar with her channel, I suggest you head over there, tell her that Lindsay sent you, and check out her videos. She's really talented. She's a makeup artist, all that. So my YouTube sister, my makeup sister, all that good stuff. You're probably wondering, like, why did she send that? Well, A.MaRee went ahead and started her own business, and her business goes by the name of AMB Lavish. So she sent me a couple of items that she is selling, and I am really excited to be showing you guys what all she sent me. I am so proud of her for starting up her business, and I am here to help get her some customers, help promote her business, whatever. Black-owned businesses, y'all know we got to show some love, continue to show some love to our Black-owned businesses. So that is what I'm here to do today. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Now, I received my items in this little bag. Of course, nothing too fancy, you know, it's cool. She did put the little, I forgot what these are called, but she put these in there for a little decoration, a little decor. So she sent me some lip products, some lashes, some more lashes, and a letter. So first of all, this is like a thank you card. It says thank you for your support, has pictures of her. On the back it says you are truly amazing, thank you for believing in our brand, live the life with us. And it has her IG, which I will link down below, as well as her Facebook, and also the website. I will link that down below as well. So she sent me my own little letter with my name on it, basically just letting me know that I am on the PR team. Very small. She has a very small PR, which she's just starting up, so I mean it's fine, but we're doing whatever to help get her business out there to others and support her. Now, AMB stands for A.MaRee Beauty. So A.MaRee Beauty Lavish. Now her YouTube channel, I believe, is called A.MaRee Beauty. So I do like how she tied that in. She took her brand and combined it within her brand. Ooh, she took her brand and combines it within her brand. So that is really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the items that she sent me, and also give you guys a code for you to use. So first, I do want to show you guys these lashes. Now, her packaging on these lashes is so cute. It's a picture of her, and then it says AMB Lavish. So she really doing it. That is really cute. So these lashes are called pumps. So they're long. So we're gonna see how these do one day. But these are really cute. I like the way that these look. And then she sent me some more lashes. This is a beauty on a budget. So it says AMB Lavish right here, and it's in this, what is it called? Holographic, is that what it's called? I think so. Holographic, you know, little packaging. And there are 5 set of lashes. Now this says 5D, so I'm assuming these are 5D lashes. I'm not too sure, but they look really nice. I can't wait to use these as well, because y'all know I love me some lashes. Love me some lashes. The more lashes that I have, the less that I have to keep cleaning, because I could just throw on a new pair of lashes. Don't get me wrong, I do clean my lashes, but I get so used to wearing my favorite ones so much, and then sometimes I end up messing them up. So y'all know me, I just love to get new lashes. So then she sent me a couple little lip products. Before I get into that, there is a business card as well. Really cute. It's like a little debit card, credit card with a little chip. And it says abmlavish.com. And then on the back, it has phone number, website, and email address, as well as IG. So she sent me some sunflower lip. Ooh. She sent me some sunflower lip oil. I don't know if you guys can see it. Little cute packaging. I'm assuming, yeah, these are little things of, it looks like little things of, from the sunflower. So that's really cute. Let's see if it has a smell to it. It smells really good. So sunflower lip oil, I'm assuming this is like, kind of like a moisturizer. I'm curious to know what sunflower oil does for the lips. So I got to check out the website and if it has a description, because I looked at her website, but I'm kind of like, I didn't look at it before filming this video. I looked at it like a week or two ago when she launched. So of course I will leave a little description in the description box about each product. Then this is an eyelash / eyebrows growth serum. So pretty much self-explanatory. This will help with eyebrows and eyelashes to grow. Very cute little simple packaging. And then I have some lip glosses. Let's see if I can take the paper off of these because these nails, child. So this is AMB Lavish, hashtag BLM, Black Lives Matter. So this is a gloss, I believe. It has a nice little smell to it. So a little black gloss, that's creative. I don't think I've seen a black gloss. And the smell, the little smell smells good. And then this is another lip gloss, I think. And this one is A.MaRee chocolate. So as you can tell by the name, it's gonna be chocolate. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that smells like chocolate. Kind of smells like chocolate. And then that is A.MaRee chocolate. I can't wait to use this. That is real pretty. Real pretty. So that was just a quick unboxing. I will be using these products in a couple of future videos. So be on the lookout just randomly because I'll probably tie it in to a makeup look or a skincare look, something. But I want to thank A.MaRee again for sending me these products and letting me join the PR team. I really do appreciate it, and kudos to her for starting her business. I'm so proud of her. And we, the three of us that are on her PR team, are definitely going to help get her business out there to others and support her through this whole entire journey. So make sure you guys check out AMB Lavish, okay? I'm sure you will find something that you like, especially my ladies with the lashes, because y'all seen the little beauty on a budget lashes, okay? That's 5 sets of lashes that you can get, okay? So be sure to check the description box below where I will leave all the links that I need to, as well as any prices about each product. But that is pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and of course comment down below. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Once again, hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you in my next one.